Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to talk about the age-old question, lime versus lemon, which one is better? Both of these citrus fruits are popular in cooking, cocktails, and various other applications, but they do have some differences that set them apart. So let's get right into it. First up, let's talk about appearance. When it comes to looks, limes are usually smaller and more green, with a thinner skin. Lemons, on the other hand, are typically larger, yellower, and have a thicker skin. However, both of these fruits have a similar oval shape, and they both contain a juicy, pulpy interior. Now, let's move on to taste. Limes have a more tart and acidic flavor than lemons, with a slightly bitter aftertaste. They also have a more subtle sweetness, which makes them a popular choice for use in cocktails, salsas, and other recipes that require a touch of acidity. Lemons, on the other hand, have a sour and tangy flavor, with a more prominent sweetness. They're often used in baking, salad dressings, and other recipes that require a more pronounced lemon flavor. Next, let's talk about the health benefits of these two fruits. Both limes and lemons are rich in vitamin C, which is essential for maintaining a healthy immune system. They're also low in calories and high in antioxidants, which can help protect against cancer and other diseases. However, limes are known to have higher levels of citric acid, which can help improve digestion and reduce the risk of kidney stones. Finally, let's talk about the different uses of limes and lemons. Limes are often used in Mexican and Southeast Asian cuisine, and they're a popular choice for making cocktails like margaritas and mojitos. They're also used in a variety of other dishes, including ceviche, guacamole, and salsa. Lemons, on the other hand, are a staple in Western cuisine and are used in a wide variety of recipes, including salads, roasted vegetables, and baked goods like lemon bars and lemon meringue pie. So, which one is better, lime or lemon? Well, that ultimately depends on your personal preferences and the recipe you're making. If you're looking for a more subtle, acidic flavor, go for limes. If you want a stronger, tangier flavor, lemons are the way to go. Both of these fruits are delicious and versatile, so feel free to experiment with them in your cooking and find out which one you prefer. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.